Hello. In this video, we're going to let f of x equal the square root of x plus 4, and we're going to let g of x equal 2 divided by x. We're going to find f composed of g of 2 and g composed of f of 5. To figure these out, we're going to first want to figure out what does f composed of g of 2 mean? Well, if we were to write this out, this means f of something, and that something is simply what you have here, g of 2. So write it down as g of 2. And then you work from the inside out. G of 2 simply means you go to the g function and replace the x with 2. So it just gives you 2 divided by 2, which simplifies to 1, obviously. So what this really means is just f of 2 over 2, which simply means f of 1. And so you go back to the you go back to the f function and replace all these x's with 1. So that gives you the square root of 1 plus 4. And 1 plus 4 is 5, so this gives me the square root of 5. You would simplify the square root of 5 if you could, but you can't. Therefore, what this really means is that f composed of g of 2 is the square root of 5. Now, don't do like I did here. Make sure there's only one equal sign per line. There we go. So here's the answer for A. Now, B is pretty much the same thing as A, just we have to work with G composed of f of 5. So this means G of f of 5. And then you just work from the inside out again. Go back to the f function, all these x's get replaced with 5. And that's going to give me the square root of 5 plus 4. And the square root of 5 plus 4, well, 5 plus 4 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So we're just effectively just asking, what is g of 3? So you go back to the g function and replace all x's with 3. And this is going to give me 2 divided by 3. And then you simplify it if you could, but you can't. So that means that we have g of f of 5 is equal to 2/3. Alrighty, well, have fun. I will see you in the next video.